Hello and welcome to my class, POSCA Pastels for Beginners. My name's Imran and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and I'm totally obsessed with traditional art mediums, so it comes to no surprise that when I saw these fantastic pastels in my local art store, I just couldn't help myself and I went ahead and ended up purchasing this lovely set over here. And because it was on offer, I ended up getting two, so I've got two sets of these lovely POSCA pastels. So I know what you're thinking, what are these POSCA pastels all about? Are they just glorified Crayola crayons? Well, let me tell you this, they are not glorified Crayola crayons, and you'll come to see why when you start the class. This class is an introduction to POSCA pastels, and it's aimed at all levels of skill, from beginners all the way to professional artists and everybody in between. We will start off the class by going through the ins and outs of these POSCA pastels, and then we'll quickly run through the class supplies that you're going to need to continue and follow along in this class. We will then delve into the application methods of these POSCA pastels and see how they work on different paper surfaces. We will then look at 3 different techniques focusing on layering, tonal values and blending, and we will practice each technique by completing a quick mini sketch. We will then look at how other mediums such as ink, markers and a range of coloured pencils work with this medium to see how they interact with these POSCA pastels. Then we will commence the exciting part of completing a full step-by-step sketch following the lessons that we learned and implementing those lovely techniques that we went through. All the materials required for this class, along with each exercise from all the lessons, will be illustrated in the class resource sheet, including a few of my own lovely little sketches that I've done using these POSCA pastels for you to be inspired from. And after completing your lessons and the full sketch, you will be ready to unleash that POSCA pastel magic onto your very own artwork for your class project. And remember, once you've completed all of the steps of the lessons, done the full sketch and completed your class project, take a few pictures of them and upload them to the class project gallery, and don't forget to leave a lovely review on the class of your experience so that other fantastic students like yourself can find the class and learn from your wonderful experience of POSCA pastels. So what are you waiting for? Grab yourself a nice drink, get yourself a nice cake, get comfy and relax, and grab hold of your POSCA pastels, and let's get started with the class.